Hey guys, Alex Ryan here, and I want to welcome you to this video. And let me ask you a quick question. Are you looking to get something started on Amazon, but the number one thing holding you back is you're not too sure on the product that you want to sell on Amazon? All right, so maybe you're a beginner at this, maybe you've never sold on Amazon before, maybe you've never even bought on Amazon before, but the number one thing holding you back is you have no idea how to find hot products or winning products. You don't know how to do the research, you don't know what people are typing into Amazon, right? You don't even know what the first steps are, all right? If that's you, you've found the right place. My name's Alex Ryan. I've been doing import-export now for about 10 years. I've been teaching people for the last 8 years on how to launch their first online business on Amazon. So I teach the entire system from finding hot products to finding quality suppliers and quality products on sites like Alibaba, and then launching those on Amazon. So actually listing your products on Amazon and getting them to the Amazon, what we call the Amazon FBA warehouse, and then listing and basically beating your competitors and selling more than the competition out there. So if you want to find out more information about this brand new program that I put together, look below here, you'll find a lot more details. And what I put together, guys, is a simple A to Z, basically a complete online system that actually does show you how to go about finding hot products that you can sell on Amazon, how to do the research, how to use the tools, how to find the actual products that people are buying right now. You don't want to jump on products that no one's buying, right? So you want to make sure they're at least making some money. You want to make sure that they don't have too many reviews. You want to make sure they meet certain parameters like weight and size and bestseller rank. So I actually do reveal the complete system in this brand new online training program. All right, so actually let me reveal right now probably the top 3 mistakes that people make when getting on Amazon, right? The number 1 mistake is they do more research on their Bali holiday in Kuta than they do on a business that is ideally they're trying to set themselves up for life. All right, so people don't do any research. They jump on products they have a personal affiliation with. All right, so I like teapots, I'm going to sell teapots on Amazon, all right? I like fitness gear, I'm going to sell fitness gear on Amazon. So they don't do any research at all. They have no idea whether it's actually going to make money, right? So they just jump on it willy-nilly, all right? So it's really more of a gamble or a Russian roulette than it is actually a logical or research-based decision. All right, so you want to jump on stuff that is actually making money. You want to do research. Mistake number 2 is people don't find quality products. People jump on products that they think are actually going to, they want to make a quick buck on Amazon. They want to just basically say, oh, I want to chuck this on Amazon and make a quick buck, and they focus on the short term. All right, that's not how you build a viable, profitable business on Amazon. You want to focus on the long term. You want to focus on a business that enables you to keep selling the product for about a year, maybe 2 years, maybe 3 years. You want to build a big brand for yourself and a lot of credibility for yourself and actually have a lot of reviews, all right? And mistake number 3 is people don't scale up. So what I've put together, guys, is, like I said, look below, you'll find a lot more information. We actually do have a special offer right now, all right? So do take advantage of that. I don't do these special offers very often. And what I put together is basically a complete program that shows you every step of the process, from finding products, from finding suppliers, from finding quality suppliers and products, right? And then listing those on Amazon. So sorting out the shipping, sorting out everything, all right? So check out below, guys, take action. If you need to speak to one of our people in the office, give us a call, 02-8003-7534. That's the phone number for our Sydney office, 02-8003-7534. My name's Alex Ryan. Like I said, guys, I've been doing this now for about 10 years, and Amazon is a fantastic vehicle. If you love to travel, I'm in beautiful Santorini right now. This is just, I'm actually working right now, and I brought my laptop with me. So if you're looking for an ideal, what we call a travel business or a lifestyle business where you can take your work with you, Amazon can definitely offer that for you. If you're looking for a business that enables you to spend more time with your family, your loved ones, your kids, if you want to earn extra income on the side, or ideally looking to replace your income, Amazon could be that vehicle for you. So guys, check out the offer below. Give us a call if you have any questions. My name's Alex Ryan. Thanks for joining, and I hope to see you on the program. Bye-bye for now. Bye-bye.